Imagine two people. Both earn the exact same salary, work the same number of hours, and are equally smart. Fast forward 10 years. One of them is constantly worried about bills and waiting for the next paycheck. The other has investments, savings, and growing wealth. You might assume the second person discovered a hidden stock pick, or perhaps inherited a windfall. In reality, neither of those things happened. Most of us grow up believing that building wealth requires increasing our income. We chase better jobs, take on extra hours, or launch side businesses. Earning more is helpful, but the extra money often disappears just as fast as it comes in. Psychologists call this lifestyle inflation. When your income goes up, your spending naturally rises to match it. A bigger apartment, nicer dinners, more expensive vacations. It puts you on a financial treadmill, moving faster but not actually getting anywhere. Wealthy people avoid this trap by using a completely different formula. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how this simple math works, and we are going to build the automated system to put it into practice. The formula most people use is income minus spending equals savings. Whatever is left over goes to savings, which is often zero. Now, let's shift the variables. Income minus investing equals spending. This tiny priority difference locks in your future first. The standard formula fails because human beings are wired to seek out immediate rewards. Spending money today feels good. Saving money for 10 years down the road feels boring. Our brains naturally default to instant gratification. Rich people know this. Rather than relying on discipline or willpower every single month, they design systems that completely remove decision-making from the process. Knowing the math does not help if you leave it up to chance. You have to turn the formula into an unthinking, automatic habit. Step 1 is deciding on a specific payment for your future self that you will carve out of your very next paycheck. Do not set this number too high. A conservative $50 or $100 is ideal. If you strip away too much spending power at once, you will trigger lifestyle panic and abandon the system entirely. Step 2 is to locate the routing details for your destination account. This could be a brokerage, a 401k retirement account, or a robo-advisor. Look at this process. A seed grows slowly, almost invisibly, but underground the roots are rapidly expanding until the tree finally shoots upward. Your destination account works the exact same way. It holds assets that utilize compound growth, working quietly and independently of your physical labor. The purpose of this fund is to shift your attention away from simply working for income and toward actively acquiring ownership. Now let's trigger the automation. Open your primary bank's mobile app right now and navigate to the transfer section. Set your main checking account as the origin and your new investment account as the destination. Input the conservative amount you decided on in the first step. Pay close attention to this next setting. You need to change the transfer frequency from a one-time event to a recurring schedule. Set the execution date for exactly 1 day after your paycheck clears. This exact timing ensures your money vanishes into your asset account before you ever experience the temptation to spend it. The moment you confirm this transfer, you have successfully bypassed your own spending habits. You've activated a permanent wealth-building engine. You are no longer defaulting to buying liabilities that consume your money today. You are prioritizing assets that gradually produce more money for your tomorrow. Wealth rarely comes from one massive, brilliant decision. It comes from thousands of tiny, consistent actions, repeated until time takes over the heavy lifting. By setting up this automation, you've made thousands of correct financial decisions in advance. For more step-by-step strategies on building lasting wealth, subscribe to Ben Talk Finance. Making one good decision over and over puts time on your side. Master this single financial habit, and you are already thinking exactly like the wealthy, even before your bank account catches up.